Hey guys, ako naman si Brian Fanatic. Today, battery replacement tayo sa Switch Dual 10 na speaker. So, nabili ko to in 2023. So, yung problema naman ngayon is yung battery. Yung battery nito, mabilis siya malobat. So, yeah, let's get started.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep. Now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave, and by the time it's done I'll be gone.
Parang battery yung pakita ninyo guys. Dara. Ito guys, tingnan nyo. Oh, hindi makala naman. Yeah, bigat to ah. So yan, ito na pala. Yeah.
Ang ginawa namin is tinetest yung voltage sa mga baterya para iwas sumabog and para matest yung battery kung malobat ba o hindi.
So distant when you're home, always hanging by your phone. Do I even know you? And I get paranoid sometimes, 'cause I know that you ain't mine, and I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see?
Yung ginawa namin is nilagyan ng tape para hindi gumalaw kapag nag-travel.
Under 3 bars.
Andar ka karon gitara o basin malubat na pila ka minutes.
Uy, ano mo? Saan to? Rapper. Di na ni mag...
May go ka sa kon.
Oh, Lord. Nakanda na dyan, guys. Nakanda na dyan, guys.
So, na-on ko yung switch and gumagana namang lahat. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh,
3 bars.
3 bars naman yan. So, success yung ginagawa namin. So, yeah, like, subscribe for more videos and I will see you next time and paalam.